Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel and you are watching AI with Ashok. Okay, today in this video we are going to see about array slicing in NumPy. So as a first step we are going to import NumPy now. So now we have imported NumPy. First we are going to see about one dimensional array. So array 1 is going to be our one dimensional array here. So let's check it here. Let's execute this and then we can check its dimension also. So it's an one dimensional array. Before we know about slicing, we need to understand indexing. So if you don't know about indexing, I have done a video on indexing also, and I have mentioned the video link in this video's description. Want to know about indexing in NumPy, please check that video. Okay, let's get into array slicing. So in array slicing, as a first example, we are going to retrieve the first three elements from this array 1. So accessing first three elements mean we need to access by indexes. So for index for 1 2 3 is going to be our first three elements. So and its index is going to be 0 1 and 2. So we need to access 0 1 and 2. So for accessing 0 1 and 2 we need to give the range of 0 is to 3, because so in array slicing start index will be included but the stop index will be excluded. So it will be, if we give 3 it will go through 2 only. So this is how we do array slicing. So in order to get retrieve the first three element we need to give like this. So here we have retrieved the first three elements of the array 1. So in our second example we are going to access the last two elements of array 1. So if we know the size of the array we can go with positive indexing. If we don't know about the size or shape of the array, then we need to go with the negative indexing. So in negative indexing we know it starts from -1 -2 -3 and it goes from right to left. So this is how we do negative indexing. So in order to access the last two elements we need to access the elements in -1 and -2. So for that it should start from -2 and it goes on to the last elements. So array elements with the indices -1 -2 will be accessed by this method. So we have retrieved the last two elements here, which is 5 and 6, and we have successfully retrieved that. So let's go on to the next example. So next we are going to see about a two-dimensional array which is having 1 2 3 in single row and then 4 and 5 6 in another row. We are going to access the first column. So in first column we have 1 in first row and then 4 in second row. So we need to access 1 and 4 from this array. So in order to mention different dimension in a NumPy array while slicing, we need to separate it with this comma symbol. So this comma symbol will read the dimensions. So before this, so this is going to be our first dimension, which is a row in matrix. So this is going to be our second dimension, which is a column in matrix. So we need to access all, since we need to access all the elements in first columns, so we need to mention the column only. So we need to access all the rows and then first column. So for mentioning all the rows I have mentioned here colon, and then for accessing the first column I have mentioned 0 here. So this will access the first column from this array. So this is how we retrieved 1 and 4, and similarly we can also retrieve the second column elements also by using this. So 0 will represent first column and 1 will represent second column, and we can also give 2 which mention the third column which returns 3 and 6. Then next we are going to see about three-dimensional array. So array 3 is going to be our three-dimensional array, and so in this example we are going to retrieve the first elements from all the inner arrays. So here 1 and 2 be the first inner array, 3 and 4 going to be the second inner array, 5 and 6 going to be the third inner array, and 7 and 8 is going to be our fourth inner array. So in all those inner arrays we need to access the first element. So in first we have 1 and then 3 and then 5 and then 7. So this is going to be our value that we are going to retrieve it. So in first dimension we need to access all the arrays. So I have mentioned colon here, and in second dimension I need to mention all the arrays. So I have mentioned colon here. In third dimension I need to access the first element. So in first element, so not to access first element I need to give 0. This will retrieve all the first elements in the inner arrays. So in second, so similarly we can also retrieve the second element from all the innermost arrays. So this second elements will be 2 4 6 8. So this is can be accessed by giving this command. So array 3 and all the outer array and inner array and innermost array, outer array, inner array and innermost array. So this is how we will access. So this is how we will do array slicing in NumPy. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like and share this video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.